what exactly happened with the AMP. The price is also almost around. You can see the AMP price, which is almost around 23% up right now, and this is not stop just because there's a huge use case of this project. And if you didn't see what exactly the use case of this project, just check out my video down in the description, and you see everything how it work and what exactly the collateral service they provided to their customers. Everything is present on it. So look at the circulating supply and also look at the trading views. They keep rising right now. Market cap is also keep increasing. Look at the 24-hour trading volume. It's not a small amount. It's a totally a new token. And look at the 24-hour volume, and look at and also look at the where it's listed. It's listed in Coinbase. So that means Coinbase is not a small company. It's a big giant, and where a big project is landing. So that means if something is landing right, so AMP is one of them, and I guess this one is tremendous good. And we hope this year it's give a very good amount of return to their holders, and it's not giving any kind of correction right now. Look at the these 30 days. The within a 30 days it's almost give a 33%, and also 24 hour within a 24 hour it's give almost a 23%, and 7 day 94%, 14 days of 140%. Every single day it's giving a huge amount of profit to their holders. And check out these 180 days. You can see the graph, it's going up higher and unstoppable, because we know that the FOMO, it's not a FOMO, it's a real use case of this project, because no one know what really happened next with the Bitcoin. But this one is crazy one. This one is crazy one. I love that. If you really want to make some money, so what you need to do is just grab this token every single week. Just buy this token almost at $10. If you have a less amount of money, so you can just grab a $10 each and every week, and put the money in an AMP and wait for almost 2 to 3 years, because within 2 3 years it's a very huge amount of profit to you guys. It's not like you're putting a fund in a shit coin. It's totally a big one and giant. In this article it's totally showing a Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum dominance, but AMP dominance, it's totally crazy. I love that, because no one stopped these things, because the rally is so big. We're looking so I'm looking forward, not a backward. If it goes backward, we grab a little bit more, because this is not like we just putting a fund in a one-time investment. It's not like that. It just keep buying every single week or even month. So I'm not recommend anyone to buy it right now. It's just my personal opinion. I just want to share with you guys. So what really happened, the Coinbase announcement, after the Coinbase announcement, the power price will price pump a little bit higher, and just wait for more. Just wait for more. Wait for the Binance listed tokens and see what happened with this token. If you're comparing the Gitcoin or the AMP is far better than Gitcoin, and a lot of hash fund is involving this token, and also involving a Coinbase. So I guess this one is a very good for a long term and long hold. So now we are in a GitHub right now, and this is a very big community on it, GitHub. So every single project is present on it. You can check the code, the source code, and every single thing, so you can see what exactly they are doing. So the AMP web component framework, they are doing such kind of thing, JavaScript, and each and every single day they're doing something good and making this project so far better than any other project. So look at this one. They roll up closer the compiler and leverage. We know that updated within a 3 hour ago. This one is a like latest upgradation is happened with this token. I love that, and you can see every single day the update is coming up. So that means these are the team who work very hard to improve the liquidity and also improve the project qualities. Why I always say that Binance is this token in their exchange, just because Binance looking those projects, those have a huge amount of liquidity and a lot of transaction is going on. So definitely I guess this token have a lot of potential. I know that definitely it listed in Binance soon. Just wait for a while, because it's take a little bit time, because there's some kind of app and partnership. They really need that kind of things, so it hardly take a it hardly take time. So yeah, stay tuned, and definitely you see every single thing on my channel. All right, guys, this is all about the AMP. If I hope you guys enjoy it.